Hey guys, so today I was planning on showing you the reaction video of my mum saying, thank you for the nice birthday messages, but guess what? Where is it? This stupid card reader from the camera isn't working on the computer right now, so I'll have to wait until I get the old computer working, which is going to take like all night, so I'll be doing that tonight, but she was very impressed and you will see that footage tomorrow. So yay! So for today I give you slow motion sneeze. You're welcome.